this is okay. Part 2 continued. This is some mess I made of this shit here. I cut the wires to the ESC real short. Yeah. Well, as expected, my shrink wrap pre-shrunk where I didn't need it, and well, this is just a complete pain in the ass. This is where I want to just bail the hell out of this shit and pick another hobby, because this soldering is for the birds. I hate this bullshit. I mean, there comes a time when you just say to yourself, you know what? Mom was right. Just to say, son, just don't try. It ain't worth it. Mama, I think you were right with this. I think when she was saying that, she was talking about soldering. Soldering and the TC. Those two don't mix. What a pain in the ass. Trying to unshrink my shrink wrap so I can cover up my mess I made here. Yeah, got some progress, but this is a bunch of bullshit. That's I'm beginning to think Sir Alan was right. I should send these to Lord Blighty or I am 4711. They either work for the pros. Okay. In the hills, the mother owl still searches for the scarce lambs. Yeah, nothing yet. Son of a bitch. From a high vantage point, she can use her acute eyesight to spot the tiny mammal. Pain in the ass. Sharp edge here. Interfering with everything. Piece of shit. Owls can't move their eyes in this darkness, but they can take 3/4 of the way around for a panoramic view. This ESC has survived so much shit in my possession. If it could talk, it would probably say, "Get me the fuck away from this asshole." The instant she drops the precious lamp, the larger chick claims it. Okay. By now, the smaller sibling can hardly move. The bigger won't give up the food. It's remarkable footage of nature taking its course. Nature taking its course. Okay, that worked a little bit anyway. Seeing the problem, the concerned mother tries. I don't like having these two contacts here exposed. Well, got one. But the mother's doing looks like shit, but it feels strong. I like these T60s because they're easier to connect and disconnect from each other. The Deans are a pain in my ass. The Deans are what drove me to drinking, basically. Alright, well, that's one shit as soldering job, but we'll see what happens. I doubt the heat that goes through these here is anywhere near the same as what it took to melt that shit onto this wire and this connector. So hoping this will be good. Kind of short, but oh well. Next step, crimping these fucking things. Forget soldering.